This is where I patched in the gap, and now I'm in the process of rebuilding it, I guess, reshaping it. So there's some excess, but otherwise it's sealed. Fairly quick process, no problems. Simple tools, 200, 320, 400 grit. I also have some real nice 1000 grit. But I think at the beginning of the season, she's probably going to get a little bit dinged. And I don't think the excess material is going to at all affect performance. So otherwise I think we're almost back to having this be a paddle back into the fold. It's just a little excess.